I just made a bag, I'm up the sun. Pulled up in a foreign dawn, yeah, I'm up the sun. With that work, flip that bag, yeah, we up the sun.
Man, you trying to kill me.
Don't make me angry.
Where they at?
Right there.
Right here, Pop. You have access.
Want to get some first? Oh, you want me just to get them ready and that's it? You left me a molder late. Only one side.
Let's make one more piece. Caucasian side of Armando.
I'm over here working. Whoa.
Hold it up. Hold on. Don't just push it in there yet, big guy. Okay.
Yo, does Angel know Spanish? Want cheese?
Yeah.
Some of your stuff for 150.
You got it.
How much you pay for it?
I think like 4.
You know what's gonna happen? You're gonna give him his truth.
Ain't gonna burn.
He's gonna be like, yo, what the hell? Why ain't this shit working?
He offered.
Language, Jason. Your language.
Sorry.
Yo, you better watch your mouth. you ever ate soap? Oh, okay.
Like
My mom made me eat soap before. She said, "You want to get your A whooped? You want to eat soap?" I was like, I'm tired of getting my. Just eat. I'll eat soap. And you know, I got some big chompers. She had this bar, like she was like shoving that. She was grinding it against my teeth.
I'll take the beat and I ain't eating no soup.
Nah, I never took soap again.
What we got going on here?
We're gonna start. Now we're starting to connect the hits. I'm trying to make sure. Okay, usually we run the oval or we'll do over the round and we'll run it between the joists. Two-top takeoff, we can't do that because he has a sister joist right there. Look at he reinforced his I think his floor was collapsing, so he reinforced a couple things. So I can't do top takeoff, and he got all the wires on top of the duct. So we're gonna go side. Do the best I can is adjusting this. This is a robot. But basically it's gonna look like, oh, that's perfect right there. It's gonna look like this. We're gonna get as high as possible, stripe it up, put a piece of oval, and that's it for this one. I'm already doing a return. I'm already connecting the return. I already did a hit over there. So yeah. You wanna do this one?
Yeah.
He told me he was blind to the job. I'm blind to the job too. I'm over here running the job. Figure it out.
You building a plenum?
Yes, sir. 15 and a quarter.
How you know I didn't want to build a plenum?
No. Well, like, what are you doing? It's my camera. Like, I'm playing. Well, it's 15 and a quarter, so you're gonna cut a 17 and a quarter. You're gonna add an inch each. Cut a piece of oval, 6-inch oval.
6 inch?
6-inch oval. I don't want you cutting the wrong size. Okay?
How much? What's the
17 and a quarter.
17 and a quarter.
You want to write it down?
No.
Alright, because I don't know. No more mistakes.
17 and a
We
quarter.
barely got it. I bought just enough. Well, Chris, you got to buy over material. We ain't doing no transition yet.
37.
Instagram. Got about to become the most amazing tech in the world.
Huh? Do you have any plan for this? You want me to?
I gotta figure that out because I gotta run the return. All right, so now you come over here. Hi. You did a good job. You let me know.
I did.
You see that?
I'm short.
Yeah. You go farther back so we can be the same height.
5'4", but
I'm still.
I'm fine.
Dude, I don't care. People don't care. I got like a 1% like female watching.
And I hit hard.
Nobody cares about that. Seen a boxing video?
I'm a master technician.
All right, I'm gonna show him another hit. We're gonna make a hit here. You're gonna have to cut it up a little bit. Cut it up a little bit. Put the 90, and you're gonna run. Unfortunately, we can't.
That's like 5 inches, right?
You're gonna run it flush. You're gonna try to run it flush into. You're gonna run it all the way down until you get into here. Boom, start collar. Boom, boom, like that. Okay?
Yeah.
That's how you're gonna do it. Came out pretty good though. It's like, did you design this yourself?
I sure did.
I got my man Jason over there. He cross breaking the transition. Why you cross breaking it?
So when it turns on, it don't pop.
It don't go blue.
It don't wobble.
Yep. He finishing the return. He did the transition. Oh, all
There's
of
one
them.
open somewhere.
Got him doing the. Yeah, it's on the table. It's over there. It's open. Got him doing. He about to do the flex.
We got a mess.
Right here. Yeah, it's a mess everywhere. Got some flex done. Flex over there. I'm sorry. They connecting to over here. And you can't even see it. It's dark. It hits over there. Let me see if I can. Some hits right there. I gotta disconnect it from the wall to hit. Just pull that one up so I can cut it so I can put my over the round 90 on there. But yeah, that's trying to finish the hits off and run some PVC. How you feeling, y'all? You think we're gonna accomplish that?
What?
What I want to accomplish?
Yeah.
What about you, Chris? I hope so. Cause you've been on that shit for like 9 hours.
What, me?
Yeah. It's already 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
It's like, nah. I'm playing. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. It looked pretty good. Probably another day, and we out of here. But you think I'm gonna finish this show? Somebody, I don't know. You going to Puerto Rico tomorrow? My man going to Puerto Rico. I'm not gonna be at work tomorrow, so I don't know who's finishing this. So if it ain't, honestly, if me and Jason ain't here, it's probably 2 more days here. But if we come back, another day. Since it's Halloween, let's say now. All right, this is a duck knife. Mine looks like a steak knife that you would steal from like Outback or something. But
You went to Outback yesterday.
and I took it. I was like, oh, that's pretty good. No, this is a duck knife. You see, it's a little rigid. That you cut the duck like. I already started cutting it, but it's because Chris never did flex before. So I said, you know what? I might as well show everybody else. So I told him go add a little bit more, to the end. Add a little bit more. Cut all the way through. Then you need a pair of dikes because it's wired inside. Cut it. Boom. Oh. You cut all the way through. Sorry, I'm playing. That's basically how you cut duck. And then when you're gonna install it, you pull because really this is the vent. But when you got AC, you need this insulation because it sweats, and it stops that from sweating. So when you're putting it on, I usually fold the insulation. Put it on first. Oh, as you can see, there's so much stuff in the way. Don't mind that. I got trash in my bag. Alright. Now you need tensioners.
Tensioners.
Did you tighten this out with tensioner?
What size?
Nah, I used
These are tensioners.
regular zip. Yeah, I just use zip ties.
Yeah, you use zip ties.
Right.
This is the zip ties that we're using?
There's an open pack right here.
Alright, so you need 2 of them. One. I don't know. That's the insulate. It's just this, guys. The angle probably not that good. So guys, tomorrow I'm gonna go get tatted, and it's an HVAC tattoo. So I'm really psyched about that. So I think I'm gonna record a little bit about that so you can see. You probably don't care, but
You getting it done at Brad shop?
yeah, Brad Paint. If you want to get tatted, you know, you should definitely stop by if you're anywhere near in the tri-state. I definitely recommend it. Tighten it. This little lever right here. See that? It cuts the zip tie.
Oh, that's hot.
Then you throw the insulation over. And you repeat. Now you'll see it a little bit better. Tighten it up. Full potential. Cut. That's it. And that's how you do flex, guys. Alright, so right now I'm doing the return. I gotta pull this up. This is the return too. I gotta pull this up, cut it down. That's how the homeowner ran it. You see it says return. Let us know what. I'm gonna run it down. And I'm gonna tie into the return box. I got the guys. They're doing the gas, electric. The homeowner also, he rerouted the PVC because he wanted to not take away from the window. He actually wanted the window, so I don't know if you see the PVC that used to be there is gone. So yeah, you're gonna see the process of this return being done. All right. Almost done. Came out pretty good. I got Mondo working over here. We didn't have the most options because we did not run the hits. We only came to attach the ductwork. A lot of the joists were, well, you can't even see, but you know, it's a lot of, we gotta do a few things different, but it looks good. We did the best we could for very little space. Seekers of operation, inducer. Then goes through all the safeties. The glow, what this got, a glow rod or a spark igniter? There you go, a spark igniter. Boom, fired up. Gonna run for a couple minutes. Not a couple minutes, I'm sorry, like 30 to 60 seconds. Heat up, and then it's gonna, the blower motor is gonna turn on. There we go. We got heat, and it's gonna stink up their house. All right, let's do a little walkthrough on this. Cause we done. The guys are cleaning up, so I'll just show you the finished product. Oh, I forgot my level. It's important. Turn, return, supply. Yeah, it's gonna be a finished basement, guys. So he didn't leave us with too much options. So we just worked the way he did, but it came out pretty good. All right, I got this. All right, guys. So that's how you do a 95%er. I'm doing this in the house. Y'all guys are so uncool. No. So you know, I didn't close the job. Well, I didn't make an ending video. So that's how you do duct work with a 95%er with limit space. So yeah, comment down, huh?
Gotta do that over.
Why?
Because your eyes is down.
It's cool. I'm talk. That's how I talk. I don't never get no.
You got a big ass mouth everywhere else.
All right, yo, comment down below.
Don't
hit that like.
He's acting like you shy.
I don't. I'm camera shy, so whatever.
That is my son. I know what I'm talking about.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo. All right, guys. Peace.